Hello, I'm going to walk you through how I automated creation of units whenever an apartment is created. So for this project, we are going to manage apartments and each apartment is going to have separate units. Now, when we are creating these apartments, we don't have to manually create all the units that are there. So I decided to automate this and using a unique custom code generator. Yeah, so we're going to generate unit codes, and then we are going to have to calculate the number of floors, the number of units, and generate. So let's just get started, and you get to see what I'm talking about. So when you create an apartment, let's say American Heights apartment, and the total number of units can be 48, and this one is going to be a very random number, maybe 7. And we just fill out this data for clean that on the org, and though we are testing. You can say it has these features, maybe a gym. Then this is the amount that you're going to assign to each unit, but it will be editable on the unit. So let's just say 2500 and the construction year. Let's just try and give it, we can assign a caretaker. This is going to be a lookup and save. Now, when we save, we expect to see this unit code, AHA. Um, this apartment code is going to be used, so we are going to say AHA hyphen unit hyphen, then the number of floor and everything. So if we had 7 floors, we are going to have this ones on the first floor, and that will generate until we have the one on the sixth floor. So like the 7 floors, so ground floor is counted as G. So if you see, we said we have how many apartments exactly? 40 something. So yeah, I don't remember what we had there. So this is the number of apartments that we are creating. So when you go to one apartment, you'll find that it has the details that we had, the monthly rent and the floor that it's on, and it's been created. So we can now have a separate apartment to work with. You can edit it, you can assign it to somebody else, you can maybe assign it to a caretaker, and it's a lookup field which is going to look up only caretakers. This is a lookup field which is going to look up only people who are landlords. If you're not a landlord, you'll not be shown on that list, and if you're not a tenant, you cannot be shown on this list. But if you go to another field, you can see all these people coming up. So that is basically it for this apartment. I'm using this flow generator, this automatic generator. So we have one branch that goes to whenever we are going for each unit, then we build the units, then we save in a collection, then we iterate, and after that we are going to create all the units. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope we connect.